If you deal with compressed air or gases, then you have leaks that cost you money. Prosaris offers a smart sonic leak sensor that transforms your smart device into a handy, effective visual leak locator. The solution does not require any special training and is suitable for both experienced and first-time users. The Prosaris OL1 captures your leak data, including photo records, and can also be accessed remotely via the Prosaris Leak Management Platform. The platform offers customizable analytical tools which help to better understand your leaks, generate instant reports, and develop leak repair management plans. You can assign tasks to individual users, tag defective parts, and help manage both the time and materials required to complete your repairs. With Prosaris, you can save tens of thousands of dollars every year in compressed air energy costs, reduce wastage of expensive operational gases, and support the eligibility for utility compressed air incentive programs. Prosaris, a smart way to manage compressed air and gas leaks.